What if you could go from being $300,000 in debt to being debt free and living the life that you want? Now, I'm not talking about winning the lottery or, inventing the wheel or something like that. I'm talking about something slow and steady that literally anybody can do. If that sounds interesting to you, I think you're going to love what I have to tell you about my review of $5 a day, the next generation. Okay, we're looking right now at the sales page for $5 a day. That's the next generation. This is from my friends Barb and Dennis. Now, they've been doing this kind of thing for a very long time. They originally came up with this idea back in 2006. Dennis was $300,000 in debt at the time and had to figure out a way to make some money. And so basically, what he did was he said, okay, how do I do something that literally anybody can do? And his idea was, okay, all I want to do is be able to make about $5 a day. Now that may now sound like a lot of money. $5. Well, who cares about $5? But $5 every single day does add up. Okay. Over a course of a year, that's thousands of dollars. All right. That's not nothing. All right. That's decent money then. And the nice thing is that these are things that really anybody can do, even if you don't have a lot of time, even if you're busy all the time, even if you have no skills, you can do this too. And that's the concept here, is to do this and then to start scaling it also to take it further up. But instead of the usual stuff that you see online where people are talking about, oh, I'm going to make you $1 million. Yeah, okay. Yeah. And I'm not saying that can't happen, but the reality is that the people who are, doing these jackpot kind of deals, they're typically not getting those results all the time. It's pretty rare that that happens. Even if you are what we would call a successful entrepreneur.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Yeah, thank you. There's been a while since I saw you. I haven't done one of these videos in a while. So it's nice to see you, but let's stay out of my videos. But seriously. Now, of course, you know that I'm going to show you the members area in just a moment, but this would not be a Man in the Hat review if I didn't show you an insane bonus package. And boy, do I have a doozy for you today. Thank you for that. It's very nice that you do your little hat trick over there. I can do the hat trick too. I just choose not to because I don't have to show off like you do. No, seriously. Here, check this out. So I like to call this income for the rest of us because that's really what this is all about. Now, of course, I always give an insane bonus, and so boy, do I have a huge bonus package for you. First and foremost, how about one that's completely free where you can create fonts? Now, fonts like basically where you can actually have, the way your text is formatted, and it's going to create text fonts that you can use in Word, in Photoshop, in WordPress, whatever it is that you want to use it for. So over here, you can see an example of a font that I created. And this is an AI, obviously. And the theme that I told it to do was a Star Trek themed font. And check it out. Okay, really, really nicely done. I think this is a very, very cool font. And it literally takes a couple of seconds to make, completely free. And you can go ahead and turn and sell these and actually make money off of them. But of course, we're not done yet. After all, we have a lot of bonuses to get through here today. How about writing for dollars? My course on what it takes to write quality stuff. This is one of the best courses. This is the kind of thing that makes you real money because writing, knowing how to write well, is going to make you money, right? How about a new AI system I found that allows you to spy on your competitors and find out how they rank in the Google search results so that you can rank also. But we're still not done yet. How about also being able to beat AI detection? Now, I found this system that actually will take something that was a decade where has been written by ChatGPT and turn something that has zero protection. And I actually tested this with an AI detector with text that detected 49% probable as AI, turned down to zero within seconds. But all these are great bonuses already. But I know what you're saying, Eric. You know what? 3 bonuses, kind of crappy, right?
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, thank you. That's very nice of you to interrupt me, but I'm not done yet. Okay, we have a lot more to go. So just go do whatever. Okay, but seriously, how about this one? A new AI system that will create a complete website for you in 60 seconds flat. Seriously, very cool stuff. But we're still not done. How about my giveaway secrets course where I tell you how to make money by giving stuff away for free? But we're not done yet. How about the key selling anything? I'll show you the secrets to making money by selling something. Or how about perfect headlines every time? This is an AI system that will create headlines for you. We're still not done yet. How about another one that is designed to create transcriptions for you in 97 different languages, and they do have a free forever option. We're still not done yet though. How about how to use plugins with ChatGPT? But of course, how about something else also? I'm also going to show you how to use a mass email system that integrates directly with Gmail. And the nice thing about it is because Gmail is used by about 70% of all emails online, it means your open rates will skyrocket. We're still not done yet though. How about an AI that creates comments for your Instagram posts, or an AI that will create content for you on a variety of topics, and they even have a free for life option. How about another one that will scan your website for grammar issues and fix them for you? And how about something where you can get 73,000 book summaries? Yes, and they even have dozens of them that are completely free to read or listen to. Okay, but we're still not done yet. How about removing backgrounds instantly? And this is a system that will give you multiple different options. You can test which one's going to give you the best options. You can see here I tested it myself with something that was actually really difficult to do because hair, wavy hair like that, very difficult to remove background. Or how about creating perfect videos every time it doesn't need to appear on camera? And my exclusive guide to adding green screen to your videos without spending extra dime. Or how about a chatbot that's completely uncensored, which you can literally ask it whatever you want. Or let me take the guesswork out of it for you. And when you want to make books, because making books is a big part of making money online, how about an automated title generator for your books? And finally, how about if I show you how to make killer video sales letters, which are going to make a ton of money? And actually, this is incorrect. It's not free with any, it's just free, period. All right. So literally all the stuff you're getting completely, totally included from me, and everything is with full PLR rights. Sell them, give them away, use them as your own bonus. Okay. All included with this package, the $5 a day package, which by the way, right now you can purchase it for allows you $10.79 as I'm recording this video. Very inexpensive. But let me show you the membership real quick over here. Okay, you can see here that they're going to give you a very detailed package of every method that they know to be able to make real money online, and not the crazy numbers that oh yeah, well, you have to have a big list for that. You have to do this, you have to do that. No, this is like for ordinary people to be able to make money. This is going to teach you everything you need to know so you can start making real money online. So let's see if I can formally give a tip of my hat to the private creator audience.
The man! You're the man! You're the man!
Yeah, seriously. Okay, you're the man. I haven't done a video like this in a while because frankly, there's a lot of junk out there, but this one is really good. This one can help you. I want to help you. Grab this, you're going to love it.